For our last video, we will talk about the statistical treatment for relationship of two variables. So let's start with quantitative variables. Now, ano-ano ba yung mga examples ng researches under these conditions? So one example is, suppose that a researcher wishes to establish a relationship between the average number of hours spent by the student in online classes and their average weekly calorie consumption. So, yung dalawang quantitative variable natin dito are the number of hours sa online classes and yung calorie consumption. Next, let's say you want to associate depression to online classes. So, dahil you're going to treat them as quantitative variable, gagamit ka ngayon ng survey about depression. Kasi yung online class, pwede mo namang sukatin yan yung number of hours. So, using Beck's depression identity, ito yung magiging expected outcome ng survey. Okay? So, ito yung total score and then ito yung level of depression. Ang titingnan natin dito is yung total score, not the level of depression. Yung total score, yung i-correlate natin sa number of hours. Next. So, for parametric tests in relationship of two quantitative variables, we have here the Pearson's R. And for non-parametric tests, we have the Spearman's rho. For relationship of two qualitative variables, we have chi-square test of independence. So, ito yung formula niya. Halimbawa, you want to know if there's a relationship between the gender and their political bias of the respondent. So, ang gagawin mo muna to conduct test of independence, you need to identify first kung sino yung mga respondent mo. And then, after choosing your respondent, you're now going to observe the two categorical variables. Meaning, tatanungin mo kung ano yung gender nila and tatanungin mo kung ano yung political bias nila.